how to get rid of bedbug bites. Natural remedies with salt and baking soda. Sometimes getting rid of bedbug infestations can be exceptionally difficult without the help of a professional exterminator, specifically if left untreated for too long. So, try to kill bedbugs using salt and baking soda as soon as you find them in your home. Natural remedies like salt may work, but it is vital to begin treating the infestation as early as possible. If wait too long, the bedbugs will have established numerous hiding places that require excessive natural remedies to be effective. Provably, it's the most inexpensive and effective way to get rid of bedbugs bites. To get rid of bedbug bites with salt and baking soda, you'll need to follow the instruction and materials as stated below. Things you'll need: flashlight, borax salt, vacuum cleaner, bowl, paintbrush, baking soda, salt, and washing machine. Instructions. Number 1. At first remove all the linens from bed and prepare to wash. Number 2. Place the linens in washing machine, and drop 3 tablespoons of borax salt over the linens. Wash them with hot water of washing machine, and dry them at the maximum temperature setting. Number 3. Use a flashlight to check the mattress, the bed frames and also surrounding areas, such as around baseboards, tables, chairs and clutter to discover if there is any bedbug. Check thoroughly, as bedbugs are very small, and clever enough at finding cracks and crevices to hide in before you see. Number 4. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove any visible bedbugs on the mattress, the bed sheet and even in surrounding areas. Number 5. Keep some baking soda in a bowl. Use a paintbrush to spread it into any cracks or crevices where suspect bedbugs are hiding. Then spray a normal amount of baking soda to all over the mattress, box spring, bed frame, and surface around the bed. Keep this baking soda like this for a few hours, then clean it with vacuum cleaner. The baking soda will kill any remaining bedbugs that the salt and first vacuuming missed. Tips and warning. It's unlikely that all bedbugs will be killed at first attempt. So, repeat the above procedure from step 1 to 5 several times within a week, as bedbugs are very difficult to eliminate completely. If 1 week of treatment's unable to kill the bedbugs, don't hesitate to get professional help. Call a professional insect exterminator whenever necessary. That is all about how to get rid of bedbug bites, and natural remedies with salt and baking soda. Thanks for staying with us. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Please click the link in description for more information. Bye.